Yes, guys, what is going on? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. Now, what is the first thing that we can see on the computer screen? Not on the chart, on the computer screen, the toolbar. The toolbar is back. If you remember, if you watched the last week's forecast, we didn't have it, and it was very annoying to mark up the chart because we had to click into these tabs every time, and it was very annoying to find what we needed. But we have it back this week, so I am very happy about that. Okay, now what's the first thing that we can see on gold on the monthly time frame? Monthly bullish impulse leg. So what do we know? Gold is bullish on the monthly time frame. Okay, what is the first thing that we want to do? Mark off the previous monthly candlestick high and the previous monthly candlestick low. That gives us our monthly trading range and also our levels of support and resistance and liquidity that price will use and target. So what is the current monthly candlestick doing? It's pushing above the previous monthly candlestick high. Now, what do we want to see? I want to see price pull back and use this level as support on the lower time frames, and then give us continuations from this level to then break this high and give us new all-time highs. Let's jump down to the weekly time frame. What is the first thing we can see on the weekly time frame? Impulse, retracement, continuation. So we know we're bullish on the monthly, bullish on the weekly. Current weekly candlestick here. Tomorrow, it will be the previous weekly candlestick. We want to mark out again, same as the monthly, highs and the lows to give us what, guys? Our levels of support and resistance and liquidity the price will use and target. So for me, the higher probable thing to happen is what I was looking to happen last week. A pullback and a continuation, because price, again, look, it's opening up in more or less the same place. So I'd love to see a pullback in here, somewhere in here, even take out this previous weekly liquidity, elect some fuel, and then give us that higher time frame push from this level. So for me, the higher probable thing to happen going into next week is for price to pull back somewhere into this level first and give us a continuation. The lower probable is the price is just going to push straight up. However, remember, price can do what it wants. So if price pushes straight up, then we've got a higher chance she'll come back down from there, and then we'll just have to see where price is and take it level by level. So if we go down to the daily time frame, what's the first thing we can see? Impulse, retracement, continuation, retracement. So what are we expecting? We're expecting continuations on the monthly. We're expecting continuations on the weekly and the daily. So all the time frames are lining up. We're bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, and bullish on the monthly. See here, look, we've got this big bearish candle that mitigated this imbalance, and then Friday's candle just opened up straight bullish, not even a wick on the bottom, and took out that previous daily high there. So what do I want to see now? When we have a candle with no wick on the bottom, we've got a high probability that the next candle is going to come down and take out the liquidity on the bottom of this candle. So I want to see price open up, take liquidity from here, because we've got a little range here now. Take liquidity from here, this high, so open up a little bit bullish, take some liquidity, and then come down into our zone here, where I then want to see them buys that we spoke about on the higher time frame. You see that there? So you see how the time frames are now lining up. So if we go down to the 4 hour, what can we see? 4 hour, are we bearish on the 4 hour or are we bullish? You see, we had this like head and shoulders, ugly head and shoulders, confirmed and then invalidated. So now we've got a higher chance the price is going to continue back up. So if we look, last bull candle before the bear candle was here. So we can say now we've got a breaker structure again on the 4 hour. Small breaker structure, but we can call this a breaker structure. So I'm going to class now the 4 hour as bullish. So because we're bullish, I'm now expecting continuation. So I want to see, and this lines up again with what we're expecting to see, a little push up at the beginning of the week, clear these highs, a pullback. If we get a pullback into this imbalance here and it lines up with the Asia session, timing, etc., then we can look to take buys from there as well. But I really want to see a deeper retracement look. Somewhere down into this zone here. We've got a lot more confluence. We've got the monthly candlestick high here, being used as support. We've got imbalance down here, order block down there. So I'd love to see price push up, take this liquidity here, pull down somewhere into this zone, give us confirmation for buys, and then I'd love to see the higher time frame continuation move come from this level here. If we go down now to the 1 hour, what can we see? 1 hour, it's a little bit ugly, but again, we've got candlestick closes above this level here, so we're bullish on the 1 hour. And the same again. I want to see price open up, a little bit bullish, collect some liquidity, come down here, wipe out this liquidity, and then give us continuations somewhere from in this zone here. Now, that's what I want to see. Well, that doesn't mean to say that that is going to happen. You know, we could clear the highs here, push up. If we clear the highs here, strong candlestick close, we've got a nice imbalance there. It lines up with our confluences that we look for. Then I look to take continuations from here as well, if we get confirmation for that. But it all depends where price is at the beginning of the week. So, guys, that's it for this week's forecast. Remember, we have the Telegram signals group where I drop analyses almost every day. I drop signals every day because I wait for these moves to play out. I'm not there trying to scalp gold or sending, 5 to 10 signals every single day. But the signals I do drop are very high probable. So if you want to join the Telegram signals group, I will leave the link below this video, actually. It's easier. Now, I'm just going to jump over onto the Discord. So, public channels here. There's a link. Or if you go to BlackswanFx.com, there's lots of buttons there where you can join. You can click to join the free Discord, and you can see all of these channels. Now, you can see results in here, Funded Lab Futures, Companions. If you want to know what any of these are, or if you want information on any of these services here, then just go to the pages on the website. I've got videos, I've got logic breakdowns, I've got FAQs. Every question that you probably have will be answered there. And if it's not, then please, drop your questions in the live chat or below this video. And that's it, guys. So, enjoy your Sunday, and I hope to see you in the Telegram or the Discord next week if you're not there already. But